It controls $40 trillion, survived 11 recessions, and buried over 1,000 failed companies. This is the untold story of the S&P 500, where winners become legends and losers disappear without a trace. Stick around, because what happened in 1987 will shock you. When the S&P 500 launched in 1957, it looked nothing like today. The biggest companies were General Motors, Exxon, and Philip Morris cigarettes. That's right, tobacco was a top 10 industry. Tech, 0%. IBM was almost excluded for being too risky, but it went on to dominate the index for 20 years. In the 1970s, everyone invested in safe blue chips like Polaroid and Xerox. Then inflation hit. These unstoppable companies crashed 90% in 18 months. Meanwhile, McDonald's did the unthinkable. They doubled burger prices during the crisis, and their stock soared 50 times higher by 1980. October 19, 1987. The S&P 500 lost 22.6% in one day. $500 billion vanished before most Americans finished breakfast. That's like 3 Tesla companies disappearing every second. Blame was pinned on computers, but secret Fed documents later showed European investors triggered the panic. By 1999, 44% of the S&P 500 was tech stocks, but 80% had never earned a profit. Webvan burned $1.2 billion delivering groceries and vanished. Amazon lost $901.8 trillion. The lesson: surviving the crash mattered more than being first. When Lehman Brothers collapsed in 2008, it was kicked out of the S&P 500 immediately. But here's the twist. Its stock kept trading at 0.01 for months, tricking day traders. Meanwhile, Goldman Sachs took $10 billion in bailout money and was back in the index within 6 months. Today, the Magnificent Seven, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, are worth more than all small-cap stocks combined. Nvidia gained $1 trillion in just 8 months, mirroring Cisco's 1999 bubble. The S&P 500 is now 30% tech. Is history repeating itself? In 2025, Trump's tariffs hit China with a historic 60% tax, sparking a global trade war. The S&P 500 nosedived as companies like Apple and Tesla faced soaring costs. But defense stocks? They soared. The last time tariffs shook the market this hard? The Great Depression. Is history repeating itself?